Now we are going to install the Active Directory Domain Controller Service, ADDS. We select on Manage and add roles and features. We begin the installation and select the options as shown. Select the necessary options for server roles and other settings. After selecting the necessary options, the ADDS will be installed. Once it is installed, we are going to promote the server to the domain controller. We select on the flag and click Promote this server to a domain controller. We will then enter our root domain name, in our case it's s11209064.local, and select Add a new forest. Furthermore, we enter a restoration password which is AA12345. After installing, we can see that the root domain name appears in the sign-in screen.